Hello friends, hope you're fine. I am again here after a long time. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 36, and today's topic is knock down the tower. This is actually like a comprehension, means we will read these things first time, and after that we'll find some question, we'll write this answer. So let's start to read first time. Here it's written, knock down the tower. Make a tower of 4 sugar lumps on a plate. Add a little food coloring to some water. Pour it onto the plate and watch what happens. Watch the bottom of the tower. Next, the water climbs up the tower as the dry sugar soaks it up. The tower falls over when the sugar gets soggy. Here it's written, the color helps you see how high the water climbs. After that, it is written, Osborne Science Activities, Science in the Kitchen by Rebecca Huddle. So now it's our turn to do the question answer, means we have to write the answers what is asked here. See, how many sugar lumps do you need for this experiment? It's written already, we have got it. At first, see, make a tower of 4 sugar lumps on a plate. So what will be the answer? Here the answer will be, you need what? 4 sugar lumps. Sugar lumps. 2 number, how do you make a tower with sugar lumps? You put what? You put, see here it's written, make a tower of 4 sugar lumps on a plate, means we have to make a tower. So if you want to make a tower, what we have to do? We have to put the sugar lumps on top of each other like this. Okay, so answer will be this place. Answer we will write, we put the sugar lumps, we put the sugar lumps on top of each other. How do you know how high the water climbs? You can see what we can see. Let's see here. Here it is written, the water climbs up the tower as the dry sugar soaks it up. So we will write, you can see the food coloring going up the tower. Okay, here in this place also written, the color helps you see how high the water climbs. So by together, means by these two sentences, if we combine, then we can write, you can see what? You can see the food coloring, going up the tower. Now this is phone number. What does soggy mean? Cold, hard, wet. Soggy means we know that is wet. Soggy means wet. Now 5 number, what happens when the sugar lumps get soggy? The tower, if it becomes soggy, so what will be? The tower falls over when the sugar gets soggy. So we will write what? Will that one, it will become wet or soggy, that time it will falls down. It will fall down. So we'll write, the tower falls down. Falls down. Today we have done another page, that is page number 36, and today's topic is knock down the tower. Next day we will do page number 37, and there we will find the topic that is opposite using un. Bye for today.